Hi, my name is Danish and today we are going to talk about Newton's three law of motion. So, first we will talk about the first law of motion. So, what is first law of motion? An object stays at the rest and objects in motion continues in the motion with the same speed and in the same direction until external force has been exerted. For example, if there is a ball which is stationary at ground, if you don't push that ball or apply any force, it won't move. It will remain in stationary position. If the ball is moving at 5 meter per second and if there is no external force, in ideal case it will remain moving until external force has been applied. This law defines inertia. Inertia is that if anything is stationary position, for example, book. This book is on the table. It is stationary position. So if you don't move that book, it will remain in the stationary position. So it defines friction, inertia, and all that kind of motions. Second is Newton's second law of motion. Newton, that is the first law. Now we will talk about second law of motion. So first we will define what is second law of motion. So the acceleration of an of an object depends on the net force and two things. First is net force acting on it and its mass. If you are studying physics, you know this thing, this formula F is equal to ma. So if force is more, if force is greater, so as well as acceleration, because they both are directly proportional. If mass is greater, then force is also greater because they are directly proportional. For example, a force of 10 Newton on mass of 2 kg applied. What is acceleration? Simple. Force is 10 Newton, mass is 2, so 10 is equal to 2 into A. So here 2 is multiplying. If we move to the other side, it will divide. So acceleration is 5 meter per second square. So this is the second law of motion. Here you can see that pushing a empty trolley is easier than pushing the trolley which is full. So now we will talk about third law of motion. So now third law of motion. In this motion, for every action, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. This example, I will give you this example that this is a box of 5 kg. If I push it, if I push force over here, it will apply, the box will in stationary position. If I try to force it to the forward direction, it will push me in the backward direction. So for 5 kg mass, it would be easy to push. But if that mass is 50 kg, now 50 kg. Now if I push it, I have, because this is a bigger mass, so it will exert more force. So I need more force to push that box. For example, if you jump on the ground, you push towards the ground and ground pushes you above the ground. So this is all about the three laws of motion. So if you want to go deep, I am teaching online. My number is 092 370 35 11124. My email is danishirfansatii5 at the rate of gmail.com. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.